Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a little different. Today I am going to be introducing my final project for the course 1051 for Temple University, and the project I created is called the Connect 4. So Connect 4 is I consider it like a kind of a two-player game, but you can definitely play it one player if you're playing versus a computer. So yeah, I create a two-player game and a one-player game called Connect 4, and the game of the goal is to have 4 coins in a row, and this can either be vertically, horizontally, diagonally, and diagonal up, diagonal down. So there are 4 ways you can achieve the victory. So without further ado, why don't I show you guys my code? So over here, why don't I run my program and show you guys what I worked on. Okay, and let's run it. And over here we have my Connect 4 window popping up, and this for 3 buttons I created. It's called the how to play button, 2 player button, and the 1 player button. So first, why don't we take a look at the how to play button. So as I said before, the goal of the game is to achieve victory. It can be vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. And so here are some images which is demonstrating them how you can achieve a victory. So through my project I was using the Pygame library. It is a very effective and helpful library. So that is the library I was using for most of my code. And I have this back button here which leads me back to the main screen. Now without further ado, why don't we take a look at the 2-player game. So I created my Connect 4 game based upon red goes first and then it's yellow's turn. So over here you guys can see this is the grid. So red goes first, red plays over here, yellow goes over there, and basically this is a duel between 2 players. 2 players can pick where they want to place their coins. Most of those times they have some strategy in their mind, and they pick the correct column based upon whatever strategy they got in their mind. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to show you guys yellow's victory right here. So for example, if I place this yellow coin over here, this is going to be a victory because it is 4 diagonally. And I created a 3-second time limit, and once the 3-second time limit is done, it exits the window. Next, I am going to show you guys the most let's just say the most hardest part which I worked on, which is the 1 player Connect 4. So I am the red player, the human player is going to be the red player, and the player I'm going to be playing against is the yellow player, which is the computer player. So the AI is generating moves based upon calculations on where it can achieve a victory and where it can block the victory. So for example, if I AI is going to win over here, it's trying to get a victory, so I have to block it, and it just randomly generates a move. So for example, I wanted it's yellow's turn, and now it's my turn. So as you guys can see over here as well, when it's yellow's turn, it notifies you on the top when it's yellow's turn, and when it's red's turn, when it's my turn, it notifies you that as well, and it constantly switches. So yeah, and yellow is generating his moves, the computer player, the AI, and over here I'm going to be generating my moves. So let's say, for example, that I want to do it over here. I want to do it over here, and then the AI should block the move. Like I suggested over here, it did block my move. And let me try to find another way to win, or I'm gonna let the AI win and show you guys. So for example, over here it can achieve a horizontal victory if I'm not looking, and I make my move over here, and then the AI is gonna move over here, and then it's gonna achieve the victory. And then again, after it goes after the game is over, it goes back to the main screen, so that you guys can, whoever's playing the game, can play it multiple times. I'm gonna run the 1 player AI one more time just to show you guys how brilliant the code is working, and it is very effective. Like you guys just saw that it just blocked my victory right there. And I guess the most challenging part for me was to create the AI. Like, let me just block this here. Oh, it was yellow's victory. Never mind. Sorry, it was yellow's move and I did not see it. So the hardest part for me, without a doubt, was creating the AI. It was looking through all the possible moves for the AI. It was calculating where I can win. It was calculating where it can win. And based on that data, it was generating the best possible moves. So I am going to go over the entire code piece by piece. If you guys liked my code, if you guys liked my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because guys, it took a lot of time. And yes, I would create a 3-video series in which I'm gonna go over each line of code and I'm gonna demonstrate how I did it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my video, and see you guys soon. Peace.